Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through the steps to create a password-protected zip file on your laptop. To get started, right-click on the folder you want to secure with a password. From the menu that appears, select the Add to Archive option to open the Archive Settings window. In this window, find the Archive Format section and choose Zip as the format. For added privacy, you can also check the Delete Files After Archiving box, which will remove the original files after they're archived. Next, click on Set Password and enter a password of your choice. You'll need to confirm it by entering it again. Once that's done, click OK to close the password window and then click OK again to finish the archiving process. Now, your password-protected zip file is ready. If you or anyone else tries to open the files, a password prompt will appear, keeping your files secure. And that's how you can easily create a password-protected zip file on your laptop. If this video helped you out, feel free to buy me a coffee using the link in the description. This will support the channel so I can keep making more videos like this.